Ain't no need for this aggression, mama turkey. No, we just pass them by, alright?
Oh, shit. Oh,
shit.
oh.
All sorts of turkeys. Oh yeah, I forgot turkeys could even fly. I don't know about this thing. We have some bad history with turkeys.
Yeah, bad history.
Are you getting all this on camera?
Yeah.
Alright, so
Okay.
alright, now the question is, do we follow?
Yeah.
Somewhere that mama turkey was over here. No, there's another one over here.
There are? You know, but it could. Oh. I don't know where I'm going. Ooh, blackberries.
I don't want to go through there. You see this mean pricker bush? John mentioned bad things will happen in there.
I'm gonna throw something. See if something. Nothing happened. Oh. I don't know. We got blackberries. Oh, I did just grab that.
Alright, let's go see the turtle.
Turtle?
Turtle.
Turtles.
Turtle. I honestly get really anxious when I'm around turkeys.
Why?
Bad experience.
Oh.
I don't even know what these actually are.
They're plants.
Well, I know exactly.
By the way, when I said swamp, I meant like the one that Papa showed us the other day. Not this one. What? The flower?
Yeah. Oh no, I was talking about seeing that one tomorrow. We don't really have much fun.
Oh!
We do, but we don't. It's pokey.
I want to pick it.
No, pick it.
And then, like, put the ball in somebody's pillow.
Oh, Mason, the pond is drying up.
Put it in Ace's pillow. Ace wakes up and there's, oh, what? No. Darn it. It was so high the last time we were here.
Last time we were here, it was all the way up.
I know.
It's gonna stop. They want to get through here?
Why not? This is where I went last time. When you...
Snakes.
Ooh, whoa. Look
What?
at that.
Those bugs.
Ah, bugs.
Yeah, dude, last time we couldn't even get this close.
Now we can.
There's a turtle in here, we'll find it.
Well, there is turtle in here, most likely.
Turtle?
There's like 2 turtles last time we were here.
Yeah, the one we released.
And then the smaller one.
Rustling means?
Moving bushes.
Yes, but you know what it means if you hear it.
Yo, there's berries over here.
If you hear rustling, it means snake.
No, I mean, the berries, like, have been picked by an animal. Or just fell off, I don't know. If you hear rustling, jump in the pond.
No.
What? No? Is that idea? If I hear rustling on this side, I'll try to jump over the pond and start running that way.
Your ass ain't making it over this pond.
I'll jump like halfway through it.
I see deer footprints.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. There's berries over here.
Mason, the turtles probably aren't in this one anymore. They're probably in that other spot.
What spot? There's like 3 of them in
Remember that
this
spot
area.
where we found that down deer blind?
Yeah.
Swamp area next to it.
Oh yeah. Walk through there? No. Oh. 3. That's turkey tracks, right? Oh, turkey and deer tracks. Same spot. Whoa, what? I don't know. But like, you can put 3 fingers. And then there's deer tracks going that way. So I'm gonna attempt to get by.
I'm getting a little close to the water.
Wait, what?
Huh?
I don't know.
So I'm having to get really close to the water.
There's movement in the water. I was wondering if there's like frogs.
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 See 'em?
Whoa! Oh, there's a green one right by your stick.
Push it.
Oh.
No frog. No. Frog, no. No frog.
Your friend left you.
Frog, we're gonna be bestest of friends.
Bestest of friends? Yeah.
How are we getting out?
What?
I don't really want to walk the road.
Just do it. Let your dreams come true.
Ooh, this looks spiky.
We gotta just keep moving.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this tree.
I'm kind of interested in trying to catch a frog.
You're interested in catching a frog? Yeah.
Can't be that hard.
Yeah. Creatures. Ooh, this is pokey. Pokey.
Mason, you walked past several frogs.
I know I did.
You didn't even catch them.
Yo. Feather.
Yeah, we walked past several frogs.
Duh.
Scaring it up on the land.
Huh.
Yeah.
Oh, parkour frogs.
Frogs are too fast. Don't have the speed. Catch them.
Pretty sure we do, but is that the feather? Oh, there's 2 feathers. I kind of just want to go this way, but I also kind of want Jeans to go this way.
Why do you think I'm not walking through that? Don't have the time.
You just gotta do it.
Ah, fuck that shit. You just gotta get your legs put up.
Bruh, I think there's a area over here. Oh, there's a small clearing. You found what? Clay? Clay.
That's what this white stuff is in here. Clay.
Oh, really? Parkour. Huh.
Oh, remind me of the office.
I don't really watch that show much.
Neither do I, but
It's a meme.
parkour
Parkour meme.
meme. Yeah, basically just run around jumping on stuff, shouting parkour.
Parkour!
Get out of here, bugs. People don't like you.
I have
Trash.
balance. Sort of. Whoa, wee. I hear stuff.
What happened to our turtle?
Whoa, I'm falling. Parkour!
What are you gonna upload this onto YouTube?
Why not?
What are up with all these little holes?
I'll call it Swamp Walk.
Swamp parkour.
Swamp Hike. Oh, I don't like walking through here. This is up to my ankles. Oh, I didn't like that.
Honestly, to debating on making an outdoors channel.
That was like to my knees.
Like, me and you, the outdoors is something.
Yeah.
We don't give two shits. We could turn the outdoors into a channel.
Right? See this wood? It was a tree once. Pah! It was a tree. It was my best friend named Jeff. It was my friend. Very, very interesting. Now what? I don't know. Yeah.
Remember, Mason, if they came back, you gotta get attacked again for the content.
For the content.
Let the turkey beat the shit out of you.
Yeah, I'd pass on that.
Don't worry, Mason, you've already been beat up by a turkey once.
It didn't catch me. Look, it's what a turkey does. The mama turkey runs a different direction while the kids run another direction, and they kind of try to get you to follow the mama turkey. It runs at us and in a different direction, so they go for the mama. What? That was me. Yeah.
About to come back and,
I missed.
show us what's up. Follow me, Mason, we're going off the path.
Whee!
Alright, Mason, I'll make a deal with you.
What?
We find a snake, I'll catch it for content.
Nice.
And you get attacked by a turkey.
If I get attacked by a turkey, you will catch a snake.
I'll catch a snake if we find one. Then yet if that turkey comes at us again, you have to let it attack you.
I ain't gonna let it attack me.
You must.
I ain't gonna run as fast as I ran last time. Like
Run that fast.
3 years ago.
You still gotta beat up.
I gotta be fast enough. I gotta be like close enough to it. But
That's what we can start doing. Alright.
doing stupid stuff.
No, I already started a new channel.
Uh-huh.
There's just nothing on it yet.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna be like, I've already been thinking about this, and I want to do a channel that's like us out in the woods without Dylan.
Because he's lazy and lame.
Dylan doesn't do good outdoor stuff. He kind of boring.
Yeah.
We know the turkeys live this way.
Like, we want to do something stupid, he would try to stop us.
We really try to stop us.
He kind of ruined it. Yeah. Like, hey, let's go after a turkey. And then Dylan... Oh, dude, there's deer over there.
Oh, shit.
I doubt that my camera caught that, but there's deer.
And there's a house.
Well, yeah, there's a house.
We're out in the backwoods now.
Yeah, boy.
And did you come over here with me?
I've come out here a few times. Not for a really long time, though.
Dylan came out here, we found a fence. And I made him touch it. I didn't know if it was electrical or not.
I have a feeling I was out there. I don't know.
I wasn't gonna tell him I thought it was an electric fence.
I have a feeling I was chasing my dog last time I was out here.
Jasmine?
Yeah.
She ran out too?
Maybe not.
No, I don't think she got out. Probably messing.
This is... Oh, this is hollow. Whoa!
I had my video recording phone.
I mean, we could post it on both channels, I guess.
Sure. Then the next time I'll bring my phone.
Yeah. And then there's like 2 different... Oh, this is like soft dirt.
How it's hard to do.
I don't fucking know. But there's like hollow in it.
I wonder where them turkeys are. We're out here.
I don't know, but the deers went that way.
Yeah, I know. I'm heading towards that opening there. Me and Dylan seen it one day, but
Maybe.
Maybe somebody thought we wanted to. I think this is correct.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting.
Huh.
I wonder if there's a pond in this spot too. Oh, you can see a bunch of deer tracks.
Nice. Haven't been here before.
No, we should have brought.
Hooked me with that stick.
What the hell is this?
Huh.
Might be poison ivy.
Yeah, my legs are getting a little scratched up.
Yeah, I don't want to go through here without pain.
I'm just kind of looking with my phone. Oh, there's dogs going that way.
We'll come back here one
Because
day
there's a
with
house
pain.
that goes that way.
We'll do a full like video in here.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll do our video at that one spot.
What
that
spot?
waterway.
What
That Grandpa
spot?
showed us.
Oh, yeah.
We'll go out there and explore around it.
Yeah.
Get it on video.
Okay, there's a story where my grandpa's friend owns this pond, and him and his girlfriend was skinny dipping, and they pretty much my grandpa and other friends just kind of pulled up at that swamp, and they were there skinny dipping, and like when we went and checked it out about 20 years later, this is now, and there's like a dock, and it's a little dried up with more lily pads and tall grass. But apparently 20 years ago, it was supposed to be clearer. What should I call this video? Hike episode 1? Exploring episode 1. But like the first part, we've explored 10 times before.
Yeah, but they don't. But have they ever been here?
No.
What? It's a piece of this.
Oh. Oh. That way? Wait, no, because I seen the deer over there by that house. And then it went that way. So, the deer were probably in that open area we just went to. A skull?
Looks like to a goat.
Nice. Cool.
Goat skull.
Doges. Is it that way? Yeah. Your dog's coming from that way.
One of these days, we're going to get some really good content when we run into a snake.
What are we gonna do with that snake? Oh, I was gonna say, I ain't gonna have PETA knocking on my door.
No.
We're friendly. Okay, I'm not doing that. Jar. Ew. Whatever's in it, I just spilled on my hand. Nice. I'm just gonna hope that wasn't piss in the jar. This woods is like so trashed. 20 minutes, 30 seconds. A kid's block. What? Ah, I already did a tire.
I think I might roll one of these back for cutting, like, wood on.
Right? When you actually get an axe instead of trying to cut wood with a hatchet.
Gotta make do with what you got. No, this looks very depleted.
Yeah.
I'll come back for it another day.
Okay.
Hey, look at this, Mason. Don't get this kind of content anywhere.
Mossy
brick.
Moss on a brick. Cement brick. Oh.
It's a green brick.
That's a green brick. Yes. You can get this content just by doing Minecraft videos.
Shut up.
Mossy stone. Yeah. I'm gonna bring this with me. Nah, too heavy, too lazy. What? Oh.
You suck. Round 2. You suck.
I know. Ha ha ha. Pew pew pew. Ready? Your turn. Nice. It was in my hand. It was in my hand.
You got it, yeah.
Yeah, we're just gonna do this all the way to the house. Ha ha!
No balls.
No, but ha ha. We're on the road again, seeing places that we'll probably see again.
Yeah, you just gotta look out your bedroom window.
Right? Nah, when I look out my bedroom window, I don't see, like, all the way down this road. I see, like, from here. What?
Some big ferns, actually.
Yeah. Really big ferns.
Pull one up. Hold the stick.
Giddy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, don't mind that. Yep. Definitely not ruining nature.
Nah. We didn't ruin nature when we got this stick at all.
Oh. See? It stood for a few seconds.
Yeah.
It's fine.
It was an accomplishment.
I think that's the end of the video, Mason.
We were just making the fern be like us. Lazy. Or stand for a couple seconds and just like drop.
Next time we'll teach you to play again.
Yeah.